What's going on? My name is Shrash Boxing and you're with Tech Bros. Hello guys, as you can see, a box in my hand containing the Gorillapod. And this is the box I ordered from Amazon and just got today. And here are the sample shots you can take using the Gorillapod. The positions it can vary through. And here are some features listed about the Gorillapod, about the rubber grip and the sole of that. And an important notice, it's the extension I got from Amazon. It is a mobile holder using which I can attach the mobile phone to the Gorillapod. Now we are going to unpack this. It looks good and some sorts of pulling equipment attached to it, or the attachment to the mouse. It's stretchable because of the variability of the mobile phone. Here's the box again, and we are going to unbox this. And as you can see, no branding on the Gorillapod's box, only camera tripod has been written on it. And the quality of the Gorillapod looks good. It looks sturdy and cool. And as it's stretchable, flexible, you can attach it to any of the positions you want. It is easily flexible, and you can attach the mobile holder to it. It's a easy way to attach it to the Gorillapod. Just spin it across the nut, and these are some shots I took for the lookage of the Gorillapod. As you can see, the Gorillapod is highly rubberized, which gives it a high level of quality, and would I think so that it would steady long, last long. There are some sorts of buttons to detach the mobile holder completely. They have given some sorts of small features which are highly efficient and will work through. That was all for today. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.